Well, first meeting is more of an introductory session where everyone will be knowing their role, particular role, and in fact the old staff and old party post holders will also be greeting the new party post holders. So it is more or less a program where there is introduction, there is sort of orientation for them, where a little address by Mr. Nitin Nabeen to all of them, greeting them, and also laying out a vision for the organization, which is very important because this is the first time they're formally meeting. So they need to know what organization wants from them, and they also need to know what organization is planning, for the country and for the BJP as well. So this is going to be, touching on all those points. But as far as the second meeting is concerned and the third meeting is concerned, these are the long extended meetings that will go on till 9 p.m. we are given to understand. And this is where the general organization secretaries, state in charges and state presidents will be present. More of a strategic meeting and very important. These people may say that the meetings are just meetings and we will give in the orders and directions as to what to do. But this is a place where they seek suggestions from these people. They also deliberate, they discuss, and in fact they also have their own blueprint for these states as well. So it becomes very important, especially for the poll-bound states like Uttar Pradesh and Punjab and Uttarakhand, for that matter, as to what they need to do when they go back in their states and do what is expected from them on the ground.